Saturday night, I called the family over. We're at my parents' house, and we are gonna do a crab boil. Let's do it. Anastasio's Abstract Everything Home, Lifestyle, and more.
Honestly, this is my first time, so just bear with me. If you have questions, just ask, alright? I'll try to list everything as I go, but I kept it simple with a boil of seasonings, and then I cooked the hardest things first, like the corn and the potatoes. I made my own sauce using some butter and a variety of seasonings, and honestly, I don't measure, but I'd say I get about 4 sticks and 3 teaspoons of each seasoning. I was feeding about 30 people, so I just made a ton and threw everything together. You're going to want to heat that up and mix until it gets liquefied, and then you're going to go outside and get a cup of that seasoned water from the pan and mix that in too. You're going to use this for later, and you're going to use this for dipping, so it's better to have too much than too little. You can see here, right there, we are doing it a lot. Here's my sis making me a drink for all of my efforts. She loves this, I love it. Ask her what it is, I'm not really sure, but it tasted good. And here are all my friends. I always love to entertain. It's never a party without them, so here I am right now. You're going to want to heat and mix and take everything out, place it into a pan so you can cook the fish and such. And remember, it's very quick to flash cook these in the boil, so don't overdo it. Maybe 10 minutes or less. Here's the fam getting excited for the final result and the rest of the supplies. It really is a family thing when we all come together, and I love it. I decided to keep it simple and cook the sausage rather than throw it in the water to save some time. Remember, 10 minutes for all of this seafood. You don't want to overcook it. We're going to cook it later in the oven. I kept it simple and cooked the sausage rather than throw it in the water to save some time, and then I added it all together in the pans, drizzled the sauce all over it, added some seasonings, and then placed it in the oven for about 10 minutes or so with some foil. You can keep the rest of the sauce to dip your shrimp in later. Here's the final result. My brother-in-law is from Jamaica, and his family was in town visiting, and they gave me the grand approval that everything was on point. Talk about a compliment for my first time. I'm pretty sure everyone left full and happy. Want to see more? Follow me for more family recipes. Like and subscribe for Everything Home, Lifestyle, and more. Anastasio's Ask.
First, what do we call it?
Here's
Fish
my dad getting
boil.
excited.
Right here,
First
take a
time
look.
for us. We did it.
We did it. First time. Truth be told, that one's good.